move-in ready. If you're looking for plenty of space, this split-bedroom floor plan home offers plenty of that. The open floor plan in the living, kitchen, and dining areas mean you're never far away from your guests. The cozy den offers a quiet retreat space. Master bedroom has a large walk-in closet, large ensuite bath with updated shower. Guest bedroom is huge with double closets. Covered front and back porches for outdoor living area. The fully fenced yard for your pets plus a storage building for extra storage. Located only a half block from the Sam Houston National Forest.